As an employment lawyer, I'm seeing questions from clients about workplace recordings all the time. So let's break down the legal reality. He said, she said just became he recorded, she recorded. The Shannon Sharp case has everyone talking about secret recordings, but here's what no one is telling you about whether they're even admissible in court. You've probably heard about the Shannon Sharp lawsuit. The NFL Hall of Famer and ESPN analyst is facing serious sexual assault allegations, and now there are recorded calls that have entered the conversation. First, recording laws vary dramatically by state. In one-party consent states like Alabama, Georgia, and 36 others, you can legally record a conversation as long as one person involved, and even if that's you, consents. But in two-party consent states like California, all parties must give permission. Record without consent in these states, and you could face criminal charges and the evidence might be thrown out. Here's where it gets interesting with the Sharp case. According to reports, there are recordings being used by both sides. The plaintiff claims Sharp recorded her without consent, while Sharp's legal team alleges that the accuser recorded him to attempt blackmail. So what happens if you secretly record in a two-party consent state? The shocking truth? Even illegally obtained recordings can sometimes be admitted in federal court. Federal judges use a balancing test, weighing how important the evidence is against how it was obtained. But state courts in two-party consent states typically reject these recordings entirely. And if the case involves both state and federal claims, it gets even more complicated. So here's what employees need to know. 1, always assume you're being recorded. 2, check your state's consent laws before recording anything. 3, document inappropriate behavior through the proper channels. And 4, in harassment cases, consult with a lawyer before recording. If you found this helpful, follow for more real workplace legal advice that could save your career.